Hello, welcome back, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and today I'm going to show you how we can make this diadem with the material that we have left from previous videos. I have just finished to make this poncho and I have left some of the colors that I used to make it. So I decided to make this accessory so I can match my poncho with my hair making this diadem. And you can make the same with other projects. For example, if you mark a sweater or a dress for your girl, well, you can make this accessory that could match perfectly with her outfit, right? And also if you have a plastic item that you have there, well, you can recycle it and use it to make this idea. But well, I will give you the step by step. Well, as I told you, I recently finished to make a poncho, so this is the materials that I have left. As you could see, I will use this yarn that it's between light and fine material, and I will use this plastic item that I will recycle it, and the hook of number 2 millimeters. So we will start using the material that has a plain color. In this case, I will use it in blue. So we will make a loop right all around at the beginning. If you want, you can make it here. You can make the loop directly and then place it into the plastic diadem. Please make sure that you leave a long thread that we will use it to hide it. So if you want, also you can put at the beginning a drop of glue or something to make sure that this thread will be there, will stay there. And then all around this plastic item we will start making single crochet row. So as you could see, we are going to put the hook in the bottom and then take a loop in the top, like this, as if we were wrapping the diadem with our thread, but at the same time we are making this stitch. We are making single crochet. And while it's okay that you don't start right here at the beginning, I suggest that you put a ribbon or so later at the end just to make sure that the stitches won't drop. So, or you can put a glue of silicone or so. But well, we are going to continue all around until we arrive here. Well, here I finished. Remember to make this part tighten. Okay, please move all the stitches to make sure that you will cover all the spaces. So well, once you are sure, we will go up with 3 chains, and in the same place we will make 3 double crochet. And well, also at the end, please make sure that you put a drop of silicone at the end just to make sure that the stitches will stay there. And well, counting the first chains that we made at the beginning and plus the 3 double crochet that we are going to make at the end, we will have 4 double crochet right there at the beginning in the same place. So we will take the hook out and we are going to place it in the top of the first double crochet, and we are going to join the first loop with the last one and make 1 chain to close. We are going to create a popcorn. Then, to make this popcorn even more puffy, we are going to insert the hook at the beginning where the base chains are, right there in the middle. We are going to bring 1 loop through it and then through all the loops. Then we are going to make a single crochet next to this popcorn, then a second double crochet in the next stitch, then 3, 4, each one of them in 1 stitch, you see, 5 and 6 single crochet. Then again we will repeat this popcorn. Okay, so we will go up with 3 chains, and then here in the same place, remember we are going to make 3 double crochet more, all of them in the same place. So we are going to make a review just to make sure that everything is clear. Okay, so here again 3 double crochet, so here we have 2 and here 3. Then we are going to leave this last loop in hold. Just let me finish this third double crochet. So we will leave the loop in hold. We will take the hook and place it in the top of the first double crochet. We will join the loops. Then we are going to make 1 chain to close and to seal this part, and then we are going to insert the hook right where the base chains are. We are going to bring this loop thread, and then we are going to make again 6 single crochet until the next popcorn, and like this the whole row. Well, at the end this is the result. As I told you, it's very important that we crochet this part and all around the diadem a little bit tight. If you feel that you crochet too loose, well, I suggest that you change the number of your hook for a smaller number. Once you are sure and you like the result, we are going to hide this thread with an embroidery needle. If you have watched my videos, I have told you that it's very important that we don't cut the thread. Before we cut the rest of the thread, it is important that we hide it through the project. I always use an embroidery needle like this, and I hide it through the project, and it's very important that we hide it especially in the same color area where the same thread is. So like this, now we are ready to cut, and then we are going to burn all the tips that we may have around. Well, recently I made other video of a poncho. If you want that I post this video, please let me know here in the comments, and I will put it in this channel too. Okay, so this is the project that I made. And remember that I always encourage you to sell your own projects. So this could be an amazing idea. To sell it, you can offer the poncho, and then you can make as a gift this item and add the same decoration that you made for the poncho to the item to make the set. And well, in this tutorial I will show you how we can make the flower. So we will go up with 5 chains, then we will close in circle, and we are going to slip on to close. Then we will go up with 1, 2 chains, and then inside of the ring we are going to make a second double crochet, and then we are going to make a third double crochet and a fourth double crochet. Then we will make 2 chains, and then inside of the ring too a single crochet. So this will be 1 petal. Then again 2 chains, and as you could see, I'm also taking the thread that we used to start. So while I crochet this double crochet inside the ring, I also hide the thread that I used to start. So again, we are going to make 4 double crochet inside of the ring, then 2 chains and a single crochet inside. So here we have the second petal. And well, like this, we are going to make 5 petals, okay? So you have to move the petals a little bit through the ring so these 5 petals can perfectly fit. So we are going to continue like this until we have 5 petals, okay? So well, here we have 5 petals at the end, you see? So we are going to slip one to close right here at the end of the row, and without cutting the thread or so, we are going to continue behind. We will go up with 3 chains, and we are going to insert the hook. At the end of the first petal behind. You see, as you could see, we are making all of these chains behind each petal. So at the end, if we made 5 petals, well, then we must have 5 arches like this one behind each petal. Okay, so here we have 1, 2, 3. Remember, each arch has 3 chains. So again, we'll make 1, 2, 3 chains, and here behind we are going to make a single crochet, and like this until we have 5 arches like this one. But well, let me finish this row with you so we can see exactly how it is. So here we are just going to slip 1 to close, and now we are ready to cut this thread because we are going to change color. We made these arches in the back because we are going to make a second stage of petals behind this flower. And for these for these petals, we are going to change color. So like we are making the set of the poncho that we made, well, I will use the same combination. And well, also, as you could see, we are using the material that we have left from this project. So this is a perfect idea to use all the material that you have gathered. So, well, we are going to make a knot behind, and we are going to make inside these arches 5 double crochet. And while we make this, also I will crochet over these loose threads, so while we make the petals we can hide these threads. So again, inside we are going to make double crochet. So here we have a second double crochet, but this time we are going to make the double crochet out of 3 crochet, so we are going to make the double crochet longer, and we are going to make inside the arches 5 double crochet. So here we have 4 and 5. Well, here I finishing with the last double crochet, then 2 chains, and here right where is the joint, we are going to make we are going to slip 1, okay, just that. And here we have the first petal. Well, like this we are going to continue making 1 petal inside of each arch like this until we have 5 petals. And well, here we finish, you see. So I love to make this flower with you because also during this tutorial we learn how to make a flower and also how to make a diadem and how to use all the material that we have left from previous projects. At the end we are going to make a knot right here, and well, this is other idea of how to make a business and how you can complete a garment with a small project like this one and to make a set. Remember at the end to hide all the threads, or also you can use this long thread to sew it and to put it in the diadem too. So well, with this we've finished, and now I will show you how it looks. Well, so what do you think? I hope that you have enjoyed making this project with me. I love the idea. As I told you, we can use the material that we have left, and if you are making a business, well, this could be an amazing idea that you can add to all your products, okay? Or also you can sell them apart, or if you want to make a gift, I think that this idea will be very useful too. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you!